Hello and welcome to Mountain Patriot Homestead, where our foundation is based on faith, family, friends, and our love of country. Every day here on the homestead is just another project, and it's always an endless list, but you know what? We enjoy it. It's what we like to do because it's an investment in our future as well as those that come after us. But all this work makes us hungry, and so I'm always planning ahead of what we're going to have for our next meal or even the one after that. And for today, I have something already taken out and is going to be prepared. Do you like pork spare ribs? Well, we do, and here's our recipe. Just take the spare ribs, and I'm just putting a light amount of a pineapple vinegar that I made on top of that, just sprinkling it on top of it. And then I'm coming back and doing the same with some balsamic vinegar. And to that, I'm just going to put another sprinkle of olive oil just right on top of that. Now, because it's cold outside, I'm going to be baking these in the house. So I'm going to put a dry rub that I'm just making here with some brown sugar, little sprinkle of salt, black pepper, some garlic powder, actually a hefty amount of garlic powder, some paprika, and of course I can't ever leave out my red pepper flakes. And I'm just going to mix that all together because that is all going to be sprinkled heavily on top of the meat. Then it's going to be covered, and I'm going to bake it at 225 Fahrenheit for 5 to 6 hours. And when they come out, we're going to put our favorite barbecue sauce on top, and they're wonderful. They'll be tender, fall off the bone, and a wonderful way to finish out a day. So I hope you enjoy these little glimpses into life here at the house, and I hope that you come back again real soon. Please subscribe to this channel, and please come back anytime. We love y'all. Mountain Patriot Homestead, signing out.